Okay, so this is our problem number 6, and this is a super challenge, okay? So we have to read this information carefully, and I know you can do it. What you might want to do is just pause the video and just think through it. Read through everything, think through it first, and then you can listen to the explanation. So white eyes are X-linked recessive and red eyes are X-linked dominant, just like the color in the fruit flies that we looked at before. So two flies of unknown eye color, I guess you're not looking at their eyes, were bred together and produced many offspring. There were 100% of the females that had red eyes, and 50% of the males had red eyes. That means the other 50% of the males are going to have white. Use the information to work out the genotype and phenotype of each parent. The next 2 slides are for your working out these problems. And then you're going to come back to this slide. So this would be a good point to pause and try this out. Figure out all the different combinations of genotypes that the parents could have and how you get this percentage in the offspring. So go ahead and pause. Okay, so there are 2 options on how you can attack this question. The first, you can try lots of combinations of parent alleles until you get offspring in the right proportions. You can think logically about the information that you're given and make some deductions. So I'm going to have you go with this option. We're going to walk through this choice. Male offspring get their X chromosome from the mother only. They don't get it from their father. And that's because they only get a Y chromosome from the dad. So we're going to think about the males that get their X's from the mom. Therefore, knowing that 50% of the male offspring have red eyes tells us that the mother must be able to pass on both the white eye allele and the red eye allele. These are the same alleles that she can pass on to her female offspring. When she passes on the X with the lowercase r, the father must contribute a red eye allele, like the capital R, otherwise the offspring would have white eyes. And we've been told that 100% of the female offspring have red eyes. So without constructing a single Punnett square, we can work out the parent alleles and genotype. The mother's genotype is XR with a capital R and XR with the lowercase. The father's genotype, won't go away. I'll show you on the Punnett square here. Let's go look at the Punnett square. Okay, so here's our Punnett square. We're going to put in what the parents could look like, and here's what the offspring are. Okay, so genotype, here we have 100% of the females are going to have red eyes, just like they set up here. Here we have 50% of the males with red eyes again, and that means if only 50% of the males have red eyes, the other 50 are going to have white. So, genotype 1 and the phenotype of the parent, she's red eyes, but she's a carrier. The genotype of parent 2 is going to have red eyes, and there is no other allele to mask anything. So that's how we would go about figuring this one out.